My dear friend, let us sit for a moment together in stillness. In this busy world, we are surrounded by voices. Some whisper, some shout, some sing beautifully, and others only echo confusion. If we do not know how to listen, how to question, and how to discern, we may live our lives behind shadows, mistaking them for truth. This is why critical thinking is not just a skill, it is a form of mindfulness, a way of seeing clearly. When I was young, I too believed everything I was told. In my village, there was once a man who sold magical charms. He promised that wearing his string of beads would keep away sickness, protect one's family, and even bring prosperity. Many people believed him because his words were sweet and his confidence strong. I was curious, but I asked myself, if these beads truly bring health, why does he not wear them himself and live without illness? This small question saved me from foolishness. The lesson stayed with me. Never accept a claim without reflection, and never confuse confidence with the truth. Critical thinking is not about doubting everything. It is about learning how to look deeply. A wise farmer does not only look at the surface of the soil. He digs, he touches, he studies the roots. In the same way, we must look beneath appearances. Ask, what is the source of this information? What is the intention behind these words? Does this align with my values and experience? These questions are lanterns that light our way through darkness. There is a story of the Buddha who once told his disciples, "Do not believe something simply because it is repeated by many. Do not believe it simply because it is written in a scripture. Test it, observe it, and only when it resonates with your own direct experience, accept it as truth." This, my friend, is the heart of critical thinking. Today, we are flooded with voices, social media, news, endless opinions. Without discernment, the mind becomes like a basket with holes, where wisdom slips away and confusion enters. Critical thinking is the stitching that makes the basket whole again. It allows us to hold the truth firmly, without being carried away by every passing wind. But remember, critical thinking is not only for big decisions, it is also for everyday life. Before reacting in anger, ask yourself, is my assumption correct? Am I seeing the whole picture or only my side? Before buying what you desire, ask, do I truly need this or am I being led by impulse? These small acts of questioning are like drops of water. Over time, they carve a river of clarity in your life. When I traveled as a monk, I met a young student who said, "Master, my mind is restless, always jumping from thought to thought. How can I find peace?" I told him, "Your mind is like a wild horse." Critical thinking is not about silencing it with force. It is about learning to guide it with gentle reins. The reins are your questions, your reflections, your ability to pause before you act. With practice, the wild horse becomes a loyal companion, carrying you toward wisdom. So, my dear listener, let us practice this together. The next time you face a decision, pause and breathe. Do not rush to accept or reject. Instead, ask yourself 3 questions. Is it true? Is it kind? Is it necessary? If the answer does not shine clearly, then wait. Time itself is a great teacher, and patience is the silent partner of critical thought. In the end, critical thinking is not about being clever. It is about being free. Free from manipulation, free from false beliefs, free from the traps of your own assumptions. It is about walking through life with eyes open, heart steady, and mind clear. So let us walk gently, with clarity as our lantern. May you learn to question wisely, to reflect deeply, and to act with both wisdom and compassion. And may your journey be one of freedom, peace, and true understanding.